morning, this is AJ Misabi and welcome to my short video tutorial. In this video, we will discuss about the case sensitive. In Python, variable names are case sensitive, which means name with a small letter, name with a big letter N, and name with the all capital letters are three different variables. Python treats uppercase and lowercase letters as distinct. Let's type variable variables with same but different cases. Name equals close open parenthesis double quote Alice double quote and name with the big letter N equals double quote Bob double quote. Let's put a hash here and display the values. Print name the small letters and print another name with the big letter N and close and open parenthesis. Now let's try to run this code. Output is Alice and Bob. And that's all for now. Thank you.